Okay, hi friends, this is Santosh, and today's topic is CQL data types and CQLSH. Okay, so what is CQL? So let's start. Okay, SQL is full form is Cassandra query language. Okay, it is like MySQL applications. Okay, it's very similar syntax and behavior of data definition and data manipulations. And SQL can be embedded with code. Okay, code are used in command line, so it will explore with capabilities in terms of basic data manipulation operations using SQL's commands. Okay, we can move on. So what is SQL data types? So SQL data it provides a rich set of built-in data types, including collection types. So it along with these data types, so these data types used can also create their own custom data types. So user can creating own custom data types. The following table provides the list of built-in data types available in SQL. Okay, so we will discuss. So move on. So first column is data types, and it is content and description. So you can see boolean, counter, decimal, double, float, int, text. So let's discuss. So first, counter. So counter is an integers. So its description is represents counter column. So it is can be represent counter column, and so yes, it is very easy. So many data types are there, and so we will go next slide. So varchar, variant, and first varchar. So it is a string and it is representing UTF-8 encoded string. You can see, and we will move on. So collections types. So Cassandra query language also provides a collection of data types. Okay, then we will see the table. So these are the collections. So collections, descriptions. So first list. So a list is a collection of one or more ordered element. Did you understand? So I repeat again. A list is a collection of one or more ordered element, and a map. A map is a collection of key value pair, and the last one, set. A set is a collection of one or more elements. So next, user-defined data types. So that means user-defined. So user can be defined the data types. So I already told him that user creating their own data types. It's given. Okay, so let's see the examples first. The commands used while dealing with user-defined data types. First, create type. Its create type is used to create a user-defined data types, and then alter type, modified. So alter means modified, and drop type. Drop type means it can be deleting operation. Drops a user-defined data types, and describe type and types. There are two types, types and types. Okay, let's move on next page. And what is CQLSH? That means Cassandra query language shell. Okay, Cassandra provides a promote. Okay, next CQLSH. So Cassandra provides a promote Cassandra query language shell that allow users to communicate with it. Using this shell, you can execute Cassandra query language. Okay, some points are there. So first, using CQLSH. Okay, you can use CQLSH and define the datasets or insert the data and execute the queries. Okay, so we'll move on. So next page. So starting SQL. So it's given a Cassandra query language promote. It's like a command promote. Okay, so some codes are there. It is an versions and okay, so help command. It's used to user. What purpose is used in help command, and SQLSH as I described above, these commands is used to the start to the SQLSH command. In addition, it supports a few more options as well. So we will see. So the following table explain all the options of CQLSH and their usage. Okay, first options, and second column is usage. Okay, so you can see SQL, help, version, color, debug, execute, statement, file name, no color, username, password. So first help command that show topic about the options of SQLS commands and versions. You don't know the versions, you can use these commands. Then it will show the versions and the colors and debug and statements. So okay, and we will move on next page. So SQLSH commands, that's a few commands to allow user to interact with it. So first, documented shell commands. First, help, capture, consistency, and copy. Okay. First, help displays help topic for all SQL commands. Then capture the output of the command and add it to a file. And copies. So copies is nothing but it's copying your data to the Cassandra. So next. So describe, expand, exit, panning, shows, source, tracking. So many types are there. The source executes a file that contains SQL statement and the tracking enable or disable request tracking. Okay, so next slide. Okay, SQL data definition commands. So many commands are there. First, to create key space, use alters key space, drop key space, create key space, and create table, alter table, drop table, truncate, and create index, drop index. So first, create key space. Okay, create a key space in Cassandra. So it will create a key space and use connect to the created key space. It is used to creating a key space to connections. So alters key space changes the properties of the key space, and drop means remove. So remove a key space and create table. Okay, it's used creating a new data table in key space, and alter means modified. So you can modify some data. You will use the alter table, and drop table it will remove to the table. So some data is wrong data, so you will remove it. So you can use the drop table, and create index. Create index means it is define a new index or a single column of a table. Okay, and SQL data manipulation. The next SQL data manipulation commands. Okay, first there are 4 types. Okay, first insert. Okay, insert means adding a column for a row in a table and update a column for a row and delete data from the table. And batch is execute manipulate DML. Okay, DML statement at once. Okay, so next SQL classes. There are 3 types: select, where, ordered. So select query what use this class read data from the table. So some data read yourself, you can use this data for select. And where, the where class is used to along with select the read a specific data. Okay, you can read some specific data, you can use this where condition. And ordered by, the ordered by class is used to along with select to read a specific data in a specific order. So you can select and read the specific data, you can use ordered by class. Okay, and then thank you for your watching, and thank you so much.